We're in the Rio Grande Valley, Moortown to be exact. The origin of the Maroon date back to the time the Spanish first occupied Jamaica. Upon the invasion of the island by the English in 1655, after the Spaniard demise, freed Africans, some of whom joined stronghold previously established in the interior of the island. The Maroon, however, continued to be relentless in their fight against the English. During the second half of the 17th century to the mid-18th century, the Maroon were a formidable force that significantly challenged the system of enslavement imposed by the British. Various Maroon communities were established in the hilly and dense vegetation area of the eastern and the western section of the island, that is, the Windward and the Leeward Maroons. They develop a symbiotic relationship with nature, using the environment for their daily survival. Natural resources found in the dense forested area were used for weapons, food, and building material, crafts, and medicine. Maroon posed a constant threat to the plantation system.
From my country until you got back.
That's all right.
2 years before the British
Right beside
during Russia. In our case,
Nanny, the then Maroon leader, and her group originally occupied an area known as Pony River, which the British called Nanny. This was located deep within the hills of the Blue and Jonquil Mountains. Nanny was raided and burned in 1734. The Maroon, however, later returned and remained there until the treaty was signed between them and the British in 1739. After the signing of the treaty, a new settlement named Nanny was established. This was later renamed Moortown.
Okay, come to your brother. Big one. How much you going to get?
I think I need a big one.
How much? Yeah, we're there. Yeah, man, we're there. It's super, eh? How can I soup? Carcoon. Yeah, come here, come here. Give it to him. One the jungle. Now give me the food in there, yeah? Here, my lad. Hear me? Fire. I don't want the food in it.
I want to say something about Nanny, our dear leader, this great Jamaican woman. Nanny was the leader of the Maroon at the beginning of the 18th century. She was an outstanding military leader, skilled in guerrilla warfare practiced by the Eastern Maroon to confuse the British. And confused they were. Some even said she had supernatural powers. Nanny was an important figure in the fierce fighting with the British during the First Maroon War, 1720 to 1739. She led with courage and inspired our warriors to maintain that spiritual spirit of freedom and independence. Nanny is to believed to have died between 1760 and 1770. There's a place in Moortown, the center of Moortown, called Bunkgrave, is where she is buried. Our great leader was declared national hero in 1975.
Our existence is not just a fact of history, it is a call to action.
Where to buy 3 and get 1 free?
Progress
Circle?
in vital areas such as water,
So we are African people, man.
electricity,
We don't talk
roads,
about
agriculture,
and
and
free.
education.
We are liberated people,
It
everything
has
belongs
been
to us.
mostly
Okay, some of that can go in a pot and the box up.
No, that's not free.
Yeah?
And you don't talk about cheap.
As Marcus
Yeah, so
I would say, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself.
people without knowledge of their past history.
so everything belongs to us. So we can go in a pot at the box up.
Extreme Orisha. Where's the pride that made us the beacon of freedom on the world stage? It is the excellence, the perfection,
Yeah, man, this is the
the action
with the maroon sauce, you know?
Steam fish with maroon sauce.
Yeah. Royal maroon sauce, young kumko kukubo. This sauce win 3 times for the best sauce for the Boston Bradford. And this sauce been known all over the world. We do it in Morocco, in England, in America, and here in Jamaica. Get me more some water.
reminded us, unity is the foundation of our
Good one, doctor. Yeah?
It is a beauty to see all the goods today.
Water. Where water, man?
And I must not go far.